In the mighty Amazon, tidal bores rise like mountains of water, a wave so formidable it defies gravity and logic. Meanwhile, in Africa's Great Rift Valley, volcanic eruptions shape the landscape, spewing molten lava that hardens into awe-inspiring formations. Over in the Pacific Ring of Fire, earthquakes rattle the very core of nations, unleashing devastating power, while in the Himalayas, avalanches blanket the earth, a white tidal wave of snow and ice. The Atacama Desert in Chile, known for its extreme dryness, transforms with unexpected, surreal rainfalls, bringing dormant flora to life. Across continents, nature's spectacles remind us of both the beauty and unpredictability of our planet.